The Rachael Ray Cook Plus Create Nonstick Frying Pan in Agave Blue is a solid choice for your kitchen. This 8.5-inch pan is great for cooking small meals. It heats up quickly and evenly. Food slides right off thanks to the nonstick surface. Cleaning this Rachael Ray Cook Plus Create Nonstick pan is also a breeze. It makes cooking easier for anyone, even beginners. This Rachael Ray Cook Plus Create Nonstick skillet is a reliable tool. It feels sturdy and well made. The agave blue color adds a nice pop to your stovetop. The handle is comfortable to grip. You can easily flip pancakes or scramble eggs. While it's not a HexClad or professional grade pan, it does its job well. It's a good everyday pan without any obvious defects. Overall, this 8.5-inch frying pan offers good value. Its non-stick ability is a big plus. The size is perfect for single servings or small side dishes. If you need a dependable non-stick pan for daily cooking, this is it. It may not have the capacity of a larger pan. However, its ease of use and cleanup make it a winner. It's a simple yet effective type of pan to sell. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, good for eggs, small size, heats quickly, stylish color. Comfortable handle, lightweight design, affordable price, durable build. Cons: no lid included, non-stick may fail, handle can get hot, questionable coating, not very durable, uneven cooking, poor quality, lighter weight. Features: agave blue color, aluminum body, oven safe to 400 degrees F, triple layer non-stick, silicone grip. Handle, easy to clean, heats up quickly, even heat, durable, sturdy feel. This 8.5-inch Rachael Ray frying pan in agave blue is made of aluminum and has a non-stick surface with 3 layers. So food will not stick and it's easy to clean. The handle has a silicone grip to make it comfortable to hold. This pan heats up fast and cooks food evenly. It feels strong and can be used in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This Rachael Ray 8.5-inch frying pan has a non-stick surface that makes cooking eggs easy and cleaning simple. It heats up fast and has a comfortable handle and a light design. The agave blue color looks nice. And it's not too expensive. However, it doesn't come with a lid. And some people have concerns about how long the nonstick will last and the safety of the coating. The handle might get hot. And some users have found the pan to be not very durable, cook unevenly, or be of poor quality. It is lightweight. It is easy to understand. It is affordable.